Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to take a look at Doogee T20 Mini. This is a cheap tablet. You can find this one for 129 US dollars. You can find the link in the description below. This one has 9 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of storage. As you can see, we have unboxed the tablet. Here it is. First, let's put it to the side. Let's take a look what do we have inside of the box. We have the SIM ejection tool. Yeah, this is the limited warranty card. And this is the user manual. We have a charging brick, the European version. We also have a cable which is Type C on one side and Type A on the other. This is the tablet itself. It has a film screen protector pre-installed. And now that we have removed the screen protector, let's turn on the device. This is the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. Unfolded, let's compare it with the Doogee tablet. But since we're here, let's read the specifications of this tablet. It has a mini size, so it's a small tablet, 8.4 inches Full HD display, Sony 13 megapixel rear camera. It has dual stereo speakers. It can support dual 4G LTE and dual band Wi-Fi. It has an octa-core processor, 1.6 GHz, 9 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of storage. But what's most important is the fact that you have an expandable storage up to 1 terabyte. So you know what this means. You can download a lot of movies in one SD card in expandable storage, and you can use this tablet to watch movies if you're on a long flight or something similar. It has a battery of 5060 milliamperes. It weighs 330 grams, it's 7.4 millimeters thick. Let's continue with the tablet now. Let me skip through this menu real quick. As you can see, the tablet supports 5 GHz band, meaning that it will have fast internet connectivity. As you can see, we are on the menu now. Let's go to About Tablet, Android version, and as you can see, this tablet has Android 13 straight out of the box. First, let me connect to internet, because first thing I want to do and test in this tablet is the speaker. While we're here, we will check the viewing angles also, but first let's open a video. The maximum video resolution goes up to 1080p. This is a 4K HDR video. We can zoom to feel, but yeah, this is loud. I would have preferred if it had one speaker here on the top and one on the bottom, but still, two speakers here are loud enough and they will get the job done. And since we're talking about speaker placement, here we have the Type-C charging port. Here we have the SIM tray along with the SD card slot. Here we have the dual camera setup and the LED flashlight. Here on the right side we have the power button and the volume buttons. I think that this is a headphone jack, I don't know, but yeah, I think that this is a headphone jack. This is the SIM tray. We have one placement for the SD card and one placement for the SIM card, or we can insert dual SIM at the same time. Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Right now we are doing a video test with the Google Pixel Fold. While recording, we can switch between lenses. This is 1x and this is 5x. In this mode, we can zoom up to 20x. The viewing angles are nice, it's an LCD display, but still, if you keep the brightness at maximum, it will get the job done. Now let's browse through the tablet real quick. Let's go to settings, network and internet. We have VPN, private DNS, Bluetooth. We have apps, notification, battery. We have ultra saving mode. It will give you more battery life. Storage, 128 gigabytes of storage. And the system has, without installing any apps, it has occupied 13 gigabytes. Sound and vibration. Display, brightness level is 100%. Dark theme. Now switching dark theme on, night light, and switching them back off, it kind of shows you that how fast this tablet is. It's not the fastest in the world, but it's decent, and just look. It's almost instant that the dark theme will turn on and turn off. This means that the performance of this tablet will be good. Video display enhancement. Let's turn this feature on for YouTube, Google Photos and some other apps. We have color and contrast. We can increase contrast, go standard, automatic, warm, cool. Yeah, let's leave it automatic. Wallpaper and style. We can choose the app grid, 3x3, 4x4, 5x5. I will just gonna leave it as it is. Security, screen lock. We have swipe, pattern, pin or password. We have face unlock. More security settings, okay. Safety and emergency. Passwords and accounts. Digital well-being, Google system, about tablet. While we're here, let's check for an update. Your device software is currently up to date. No updates. Now let's open the camera. Here in storage path, as you can see, we now have only tablet, But if we insert an SD card here, we can choose that every photo or video that we will take will be directly saved on the SD card. Let's turn off the camera sound. Picture size 4:3, picture quality super fine. We have HDR. Let's turn it on. Logo watermark, time watermark. AI scene recognition, let's turn it on. Let's go to video. Here on video we see that we can do up to Full HD 1080p 30 frames per second. We can do HD and we can do SD. I'm just gonna leave it as it is, 1080p. Now let's keep it real. You won't be using this tablet for the camera. Now let me install a few apps and I will come back again. Okay, so as you can see, I've installed a few games. Let's open Subway Surfers. This one is a small game and I don't think it will be a problem on this tablet. Yes, so far as you can see the gameplay is good. We don't experience lag. Usually if a phone or a tablet is bad on Subway Surfers at the beginning of the game, the performance will not be good in that particular device. Now let's open Angry Birds. Again, as you can see, even in Angry Birds the gameplay was good. Now let's open Asphalt 9. This one is a big game. Let's see how the tablet will handle it. Okay, I have to lower the volume a little bit because stereo speakers here are very loud. And as you saw, even Asphalt 9 has a very good gameplay. Also, before ending the video, let's check the toggles here. We have screen record, night light, do not disturb, hotspot, nearby share, and all of these different toggles here. First impressions of this tablet are very good. Keep in mind the price, for $129 US. This is a solid tablet. It's not too big, it's not too small, it's good. But remember, you cannot leave everything open because, again, this tablet has a 1.6 GHz processor, as you can see here. Just close the app if you finished using it. Now keep in mind, I was testing the tablet with 4 GB of RAM. I did not turn on the memory expansion. We can turn on the memory expansion and we can go up to 5 GB of RAM expansion. And basically we will have 9 GB of RAM. I mean, if the tablet handled Asphalt 9 with 4 GB of RAM without the memory expansion, I believe it will handle most of the apps on the Play Store. It will handle small games like Subway Surfers, Angry Birds without a problem. This was the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next one.